Hi, today we're in my sister's kitchen and we're going to make pancit. Pancit is a Filipino dish. It's almost like a lo mein. It's got noodles. So we're going to need chicken stock. We might need more than this, but right now this is a 48-ounce can. This is in here. We might need more, might need less. We have one whole onion diced. We have one small head of cabbage. We've got a pound of snow peas with the ends cut off. I've got 5 pounds of chicken thighs cubed, and these have been soaking in half a cup of soy sauce. We've got some garlic. This is about 6 or 7 cloves, a couple stalks of celery, some carrots. Seasoning's going to be some thyme and some tarragon. You're also going to need soy sauce. I'm doing 2 small batches here. I've never done this before, so I just want to make sure that I have enough room to put everything. So there's 2 versions. There's pancit and bihon. Bihon being thin rice noodles, or rice sticks as they call them. You get these in the Asian market. I'm sure you can get them on Amazon. Or it'll be pancit canton. Canton being the thicker noodle. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually mix it up. So I'm going to use just a little bit of this. I only have 1 package, so it's going to be in 2 batches. I'm going to use half of this, and I've got 2 of these, so I'll use 1 package in each batch. So we're going to start off by heating the oil and rendering down the onions and the garlic. You don't want to burn the garlic because then it'll be bitter. So we're heating up a wok. I'm going to put some oil in it. That happens to have a little bit of water. Alright, so we're going to add some onions. We're going to add some garlic.
You need a spoon, Evan?
No.
We're just going to let this soften up until it turns a little translucent. All right, so the onions are tender. Okay, so we're going to add chicken, and again, this chicken has been marinating in pepper and soy sauce. This is about 2.5 pounds, and this is the 2nd batch I'm making. So now you want to mix it up good. We're going to add a little bit of thyme. This is fresh thyme. If you don't have fresh, you can use dry. You can use tarragon. Tarragon's got a licoricey, a light licoricey taste. So we're going to just put in a little bit for now, and then we'll put more in as we cook it, if it needs it. All right. So you want to add about a cup. You should just about cover it. And you're going to We're going to let those chicken parts just cook and stew in that chicken stock. Okay, you need to pre-soak rice noodles. So these are the bihon, or the thin rice noodles. And just have a pot of hot water. It doesn't have to be boiling. And you want to soak these for about 10 minutes before you need to put them in the pancit. So once these soften up, then we can push them down. Alright, I'm going to add some more hot water to this. And that's it until we need it. Chicken's kind of cooked. The onions look good. Now we add our vegetables. So that's snow peas, celery, carrots. We're going to let this cook a little bit. And then we're going to add cabbage. Then we're going to put cabbage. We put cabbage in. Put cabbage. And work that in. And then cover it until it wilts. We need to take this out, leave the liquid behind. This is done. You can tell this is done. The chicken is cooked through and the carrots are soft. You want to add some more chicken stock, and I'm guessing, I don't know, maybe, I don't know, 4 cups. Right? And you want to add more soy sauce. And what we're going to do is we're going to bring this up to a boil.
You got the noodles made?
And once we bring it up to a boil, we'll put the noodles in.
You're making them?
Okay, we're going to add pancit canton rice stick. It's not more than a thick noodle. When you go to buy these in the Asian grocery store, you'll see that the pancit canton are the thicker noodles, and these are the bihon, which are the thinner noodles. I'm going to take this off. It's at a boil. I'm going to add the noodles.
Did you give them the whole thing of cheese or just?
Yeah.
These will cook down. And once the noodle's soft, then you put the smaller noodles in. Okay, now we add these noodles. Mix them up. And that's it. It's all mixed up. It's all mixed together. We're going to take it out. We're going to put it in a dish. Okay, so I'm back in my own kitchen. It was a nice 4th of July. So there you have it, pancit. Very easy. It was my first attempt. If I had to do it again, which I will do it again, I'll probably put a little bit more chicken in it and probably put some more vegetables in it. I seem to have my noodles to vegetable and chicken ratio was kind of off. But other than that, it was tasty, and my brother-in-law and my nephew who've had this dish in the past said it was spot on, so I value that opinion. So now I'd like to hear from you. Like, subscribe, notification, give me a comment, let me know what you think. And that's it. Well, thanks for checking me out, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.